everyone, this is Nick at ALTA ARCYLON, and today is part 1 of the ARCYLON assembly video. In today's video, we're going to be going over the parts that you've received, starting with your main bracket. Next up, you have your base. You should got 2 scoops, 1 cup, 1 tensioner, 2 sets of arms. This is for the front, and this is for the rear. This one's not welded together. Should have 1 crossbar. This is not powder coated in this video, but it will be when you receive it. Onto our hardware and retractable straps. You should have 6 total retractable straps. 2 of each are going to be different. These aren't going to have any hardware on them. These are going to have a loose bolt going through with washers on the top. And these are going to have a fixed stud. Next up is your gear hangers. You're going to have your 4 bullets. You're going to have your 2-inch bolts.
How many bolts are there?
I believe there's 14.
Okay.
14. You're going to have 6 2.5 5/8 bolts with 3 plastic washers each per bolt. And you are going to have 8 1-inch bolts with lock washers on them, as well as 2 2.5-inch bolts with a nut, as well as a nylock. The tools you're going to need for assembly is a 5/8 Allen.
5/32.
5/32, my apologies. 15/16 wrench, 15/16 socket, 9/16 socket, and 9/16 wrench.
And we're including the 5/32 Allen. And you'll have that also in your bike gear. If you have a tool for your bike, that will have a compatible tool with it. So it's something that you don't need to carry all the time as long as you got your bike gears on. So in the next video, what are we going to talk about?
We're going to talk about how you install the ARCYLON, and
that's it.
And that's it.
Yeah. All right. Watch the next video for assembly.